Finding a mini warehouse, small factory, workshop or light industrial property in Silverton can be a daunting task. Most available premises are too large to cater for small industries and are way too expensive for a small to medium-sized business. Our property in Samcor Park cater for smaller industries and are extremely affordable. The sizes range from 125 square meter units to 500 square meter units and is ideal for a mini warehouse, workshop, factory or any light industrial business. Samcor Park is situated on the very busy Pretoria Road and the Simon Vermeulen intersection. These industrial units are highly visible and high-profile neighbors in the near vicinity add to the visibility. Many businesses are located in this area including the manufacturing plant for Ford Motor Company, the Waltloo Licensing Center, South African Breweries, Engine, BP, Tiger Foods, Aramex Couriers, NJR Steel and many more. Easy access to the N1 and N4 highways with the N4 highway a mere 1.66 kilometers away from the premises with newly constructed access routes. This makes it the ideal location for your business. Contact us right now by calling 012-3642-555 or by email at info@nethold.co.za.